All right, today we're going to bring 100 feet of cord, and this is for a Cat 6. This will be for your cameras, any devices, maybe computer. So it could be from switch to computer, from router to computer. So it's 100 feet, and it's not outdoor graded. So this is an indoor. It's very slim. If you leave it outdoors for quite a while for your cameras, in time it's eventually gonna die out on you because it's not weatherproof, this one. But it could last you for a couple years. Before, if you live in California, sunny, I seen these last about maybe 2 years the most, and then after they deteriorate. So these were included with the cable, and I set up the camera here, and the cable is nice and tight. We're going to continue on the actual pole to see how well it works. These were included, a box of these. Hope you enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe